return. I've been on the road since I was 5, sitting by my father for 1,000,000 miles, picking up old stories on the ride.
Good morning, everybody. Today's Thursday, day 4. Got up a little bit ago. Dawn made me some coffee. Yay. Got that over here. Slowly getting it ingested into my system. Went inside, grabbed me some breakfast. They had some bacon, potato, egg, and cheese burritos. So I grabbed one of those because I didn't have anything for breakfast in the truck. And yeah, just came back out to the truck, ate my breakfast, and already went outside and done my pre-trip. Checked all my placards. Everything is looking good on the truck. And yeah, Don's back there having him some dinner, I guess, because he's getting ready to go to bed. And yeah, I think I'm ready to roll. So I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Today's going to be another day of pretty much just driving all day. So we are in Arizona at the moment. We've got about, is this mileage accurate? We've got about 538 miles to go to destination. So I should be able to get that done today on my shift. And we do deliver this evening as soon as we get there. So let's get on the road. Let's see if we can see some beautiful scenery today and make this delivery. Check it a little bit later.
I've been counting shadows to the beat of the radio. I feel like a baby when I sleep, and then you come to me. If we can keep the fire burning till I'm coming home, then maybe I won't have the need to let the engine run. 'Cause in the morning, in the night, maybe we can hold each other tight. We can keep the fire burning for a while, babe. Keep it wild. Every single coffee, every single break, every single moment I'm awake. Wanna play it open, wanna play it right. Don't want another storm to ride. I've been counting headlights to the beat of the radio. I feel like I wanna go to sleep, and then you come to me. If we can keep the fire burning till I'm coming home, then maybe I won't have the need to let the engine run. 'Cause in the morning, in the night, maybe we can hold each other tight. We can keep the fire burning for a while, babe. Keep it wild. Keep it wild. Keep the fire burning.
It's me again, Margaret. I just stopped here in Arizona. I'm in Kingman, Arizona to get fuel and do my 30-minute break real quick. And you ever listen to old stuff that you haven't listened to in a long time? That's what I was just listening to on the Apple Music. It cracks me up every time I listen to it. It's me again, Margaret. Anyway, I'm gonna hop out here and get some fuel. We're down to about 300 miles, and don't really need to take my break right now, but I'm going to go ahead and knock out my 30-minute break too. That way I don't have to worry about it going into the Los Angeles area. And we can go ahead and get straight to delivery and get this off this evening. So let's hop out here, let's grab some fuel, and then do that 30-minute break.
Too many times I've been drifting away, like a shadow in the sun, hiding from the shift in a pale. Too many times I've been drifting away, like a shadow in the sun, hiding from the shift in a pale. Let's keep the fire burning, baby, till I'm coming home.
Alright guys, got the fuel. Now I'm just doing my 30-minute break. My other camera shutting off. Yeah, just while I was out there getting fuel, I went ahead and checked the placards and walked around the truck, made sure everything looked okay. So now I'm just going to chill for 30 minutes and thought about getting something to eat, but I'm not really that hungry, so it's a beautiful day to be driving. Absolutely beautiful sunshine. It's like 65 degrees. Just absolutely gorgeous. A slight breeze. Beautiful, beautiful day. Let's see. As you can see, it is just absolutely gorgeous. Just blue skies everywhere.
A new message has arrived.
So yeah, I'm just gonna finish up my 30-minute break here and get back on the road and get on over to delivery and see what other funny old music I can listen to. Ray Stevens cracks me up. Alright guys, we'll check in a little bit later.
Then maybe I won't have the need to let the engine run. 'Cause in the morning, in the night, maybe we can hold each other tight. We can keep the fire burning for a while, babe. Keep it wild. Too many times I've been drifting away. Keep it like a shadow in the sun, hiding from the shifting day. Keep the fire burning.
Whispering soft, alluring signs, wrapping you around my finger, gently touch, full of spell, blinding you into another, sneaking around, hunt and prey, to find me another lover. Behind closed doors, an empty space, we're in a secret love encounter. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline.
I take what's mine, then I leave behind.
Hey everyone, so as you've seen, we made our delivery here in California, just outside Los Angeles. Took us about an hour and a half to go 23 miles back to the truck stop, but we finally made it back here and went inside. We grabbed a shower and had dinner, and now we're back in the truck, so we are just going to relax. I'm tired. I think it's going to be a little bit of TV and then it's going to be bed. I'm not even going to do any editing tonight. So guys, I am going to end the video here. As always, keep those wheels a turning, and you know the drill. Hit that like button, Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure you hit the bell icon next to that, so that way you get notified of any new videos that come out, or if I go live sometime, which you never know, I may. And leave a comment down below if you like the video. Hope you're enjoying the daily vlog so far. As always, thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching and subscribing. And until our next video, take care, everyone.